I'm Howard with Princeton Art and Brush Company. I started the company about 25 years ago, and this is my favorite brush. This is called Aqua Elite. It's for watercolor, and it is the best brush that I've ever sold. It looks very much like Kolinsky sable, meaning it has the same degree of belly in the middle, but it holds just as much water and releases it perfectly. This is an 1.5 inch mottler, and I'm going to put it only about 10% into the water. And you'll see how the water literally soaks up like a sponge right to the ferrule. Right where the ferrule and the hairs meet, there's beads of water. This is an amazing brush. It's not just the hair composition, but we've come up with a proprietary formula that is infused into the hair. And as a result of that, it just holds more water than any synthetic brush, and I think it holds as much, if not more, than any Kolinsky brush.